Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be trying a very popular product. So we are going to be trying the NIVEA face cream for the next 5 days. So the reason I want to try this is because there's been a lot of videos that I've seen that apparently this is actually a dupe for the La Mer cream moisturizer. So I will insert pictures and stuff of the La Mer and the NIVEA. I've got the NIVEA obviously. So NIVEA cream is really popular because it's super moisturizing and it's really good for your skin. Apparently, like, it's been used for years. My grandma used to even use it. But what I'm going to be doing is, instead of using it on my body, I'm going to be using it on my face. So what's been going on with my skin is that it's actually really dry. Like in Australia, it's cold, it's winter right now, and my skin is horrible. I get dry patches, and I've been using retinol just once or twice a week, and that makes my skin so dry. I literally get skin peeling all the time, which is so bad because then that means my skin's, you know, not suiting the retinol. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the NIVEA cream for 5 days, and I want to see, you know, what it does to my skin, how my face reacts. And the last video that I tried something out, I tried aloe vera and turmeric, and you guys loved that video. So first of all, thank you so much for all the love that I got from that video. So this video was kind of inspired by that, like I'm trying something out. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using it every single morning and every single night. I won't be using any other moisturizers, and I'm going to be tracking my skin. The other thing I want to mention is that my skin actually has been dry, but I've got pimples as well. Like it just feels like it's just reactive at the moment. So the NIVEA will really define if it's good, because it should calm my skin down and hopefully really help it. So I'm gonna be trying it out. I'll keep you guys updated morning or night whenever I get time, and I want you guys to watch till the very end. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. I'm a pharmacist. I love all things natural, like DIYs, natural beauty, everything like that. So make sure you do subscribe, because I make tons and tons of videos, and watch till the very end. If you want me to try any products, guys, please tell me in the comment section below, and I would love to try your recommendations out. So let's move on to the video. Today is day 1, and as usual with my challenges, I like to apply whatever I'm applying first thing in the morning. So I just washed my face. I don't have any products on my face, and this is what my skin is looking like. It's honestly not been the best, but you know, I'm not sure what's going on. It just feels like it's a bit oily, so I'm actually really scared because, you know, this is really thick, and I'm gonna be at work for the next 9 hours. So this is what the NIVEA cream looks like. It looks like a really thick cream, like very thick actually. As you can see, it's really intense. And what I've actually been using this for is my baby's diaper rash and her skin. So I've just been applying the NIVEA cream all over Inaya, just because she just needs a really thick moisturizer, and I just wanted to, you know, give her something intense, so I used that. But what I'm going to be doing is now I'm going to be applying this on my face. So as you can see, I got like a pea-sized amount. I'm going to apply it all over my skin, and then I will update you guys. Oh my god, it's very intense. I will update you guys on how my skin looks in the afternoon when I come back from work. So my skin feels really strange. Like, it feels dry, but I'm getting pimples, and either it's extremely dry that, you know, I'm getting pimples because it's so dry, or I don't know what's going on. Just, it's not looking its best. So as you can see, it actually has blended out pretty much straight away, but it feels sticky and a bit heavy on my skin. Now the only problem right now is, like, I have to put sunscreen on and I have to do my makeup, so it does look a bit intense, a bit oily, but that's the whole part of the challenge. So this is what I look like, extremely oily, and well, it looks really moisturized, to be honest. I'm sure, like, it's not that bad, right? I just hope I don't break out because my skin is already really not in good shape. So this is me in the morning, and I will update you guys in the afternoon. And I'm actually really excited because my skin feels really soft right now. Hi guys, it is the same day. It is probably about 12 hours later, and I just want to show you guys my skin. So it doesn't really feel that oily. Like it feels like my skin was actually pretty good, well moisturized, not oily at all, and also like not dry, which is great. As you can see, it is a bit shiny. So that's the only thing. Like if you don't really like shine, then you might not want to use the NIVEA cream in the daytime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cleanse my skin. I just thought I would show you guys how it looks, you know, 12 hours later or something. I don't have any other products on my skin actually. Yes, Inaya. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cleanse my skin, and I'm going to, sorry, Inaya's obviously awake right now. So I'm going to cleanse my skin, and I'm going to moisturize it again with the NIVEA cream. So we'll see how it looks tomorrow morning. I will update you guys on my skin, but I'm actually surprised and a bit shocked because you know what happened after I applied the NIVEA cream? Inaya, hato. After I applied the NIVEA cream in the morning, I waited for about 20 minutes before I applied my makeup, and honestly guys, my skin was not that oily. It actually felt like it was fine. So just want to give you guys an update. It is not the best, like I am breaking out, but it just looks fine. Like I look a bit fresh, a bit shiny, but not like in a dirty way. I don't look dirty, I just look dewy, if that makes sense. So this is my day one update on my NIVEA challenge. Oh my god, Inaya's literally like going crazy right now because it's pretty much her bedtime. I just thought I'd share, you know, updates with you guys on my skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cleanse. I'm going to apply the cream as a night cream as well. I'm not using any other moisturizer. Obviously this one is like so heavy. And then I will update you guys tomorrow, and we will keep in touch. So that is me signing out for today, which is day one, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, it is day 3 of my NIVEA challenge that I'm doing on my face. So I have been trying out the NIVEA cream for the past 3 days. This is the 3rd day that I'm doing it. I've been doing it morning and night. So yesterday I didn't actually film, you know, applying it in the morning and at night because I was exhausted. I just came home from work and I passed out. So this morning I've actually taken a shower. But yesterday, one thing I noticed was that I was breaking out. So I got another extra pimple here and like on my nose. But the weird thing about these pimples are that they are like really small. Oh, by the way, my cream looks like trash because my 1-year-old decided to rub it all over her face. So I had to actually hide this in like some random cupboard. Okay, so the last 2 days that I've been using the cream during the day, surprisingly it actually absorbs into the skin, and I'm actually quite happy with it because it's winter here. It's actually really cold, so surprisingly it's actually really moisturizing. I also use it on my baby's face anyways, and I use it on her body. So this is just, you know, something that I thought I would mention. And I'm actually really surprised by the like the fact that it's not feeling oily. But I think one major thing is that because I've got dry skin, sorry, I just took a shower, so that's why I look like this. The main thing is because it's like I have really dry skin, I think my skin needs this sort of moisture on a daily basis. So I'm actually quite happy with the daytime effects. This is what it looks like. And the other thing is, when I get home, my face is not that oily. I feel like it's fine. I did expect it to be really oily when I got home, because, you know, when I'm applying it, it feels like I'm applying so much oil to my skin, but it actually feels really nice and moisturizing. And the other thing is, I've been using a lighter sunscreen. So usually I use like a really intense moisture sunscreen, the Neutrogena moisture sunscreen, but now I've just been using a lighter one and I feel like that works better. So this is the glow you actually get, and I'm actually really surprised and really happy so far. So I will keep you guys updated for the next 2 days, and then on day 5 I will tell you my final thoughts on the NIVEA cream, and I'm gonna sign out. See you guys. Hi guys, it is day 4. It is early in the morning and I was pretty much just doing my skincare routine, so I thought I would show you guys my skin. I actually don't have anything on it, I just cleansed my face. So yesterday when I got home, my skin, it wasn't oily at all, which is actually strange. And the other weird thing was I had some dryness around my mouth, which is crazy because, you know, with something so creamy you expect it to get oily. But I'm actually so happy with the NIVEA cream that like I'm kind of shocked. So I'm just gonna continue to use it. It is my 4th day in a row using it morning and night. I think the trick is like using less. The first day I might have used too much, and then that's why I got oily during the day. So did you guys see the pea-sized amount that I had right now? So that's all I'm using on my face and just like blending it out. I feel like this is the perfect like moisturizer for makeup. It really like gets your skin ready to absorb makeup and like just sit there perfectly. And like because it's so moisturizing, like for someone like me, I get dry patches with every foundation. I try to use cream foundations and stuff, but still I get dry skin. So this is like a dream, honestly. And I'm just really surprised that my skin isn't going crazy. The first day that I did apply the NIVEA cream and like, you know, used it all day, I did get this pimple right here. And I had one pimple right there. But I'm actually really surprised by the effects. Like my skin feels good and really plump. Like, can you see how plump it looks? So this is without any makeup and it just looks so plump and like dewy and glowy and fresh. So far I actually highly recommend it. Tonight I'm gonna try to do a video, and then tomorrow is the last day of trying it. So yeah, I'm so surprised by the results. So amazing. And I try to show you guys my skin first thing in the morning because I want you guys to see like how it looks, you know. And yeah, I do feel a bit puffy in the mornings, but I'll probably do some face massage and I'll be okay. But that was my update for day 4. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, it is now day 5, the final day of me trying the NIVEA face cream out. It's not even a face cream, it's just the NIVEA Intense Cream. Okay, so I just put it on my face and I have just done my makeup. I forgot to put sunscreen on as usual, but this is how it looks underneath makeup, in case you guys are wondering, you know, how it looks, because I keep saying this would be really good, you know, underneath makeup. So this is what my skin looks like. As you can see, it's dewy. I don't have any like highlighter on, and I've only used cream products, so I've only actually just used concealer and a cream blush. So I just want to show you how my skin looks. You can still see that it's a bit oily and like looks moisturized. That's what it looks like. So this is it. Like tonight I will give you guys an update on my skin, but to be honest, I feel like this is what my skin needed right now. Like my skin has been so dry, I just desperately needed some intense oil, like, you know, moisture. So this is the results underneath makeup. So happy with it, and I would actually highly recommend it for anyone with like dry, sensitive skin, because I haven't reacted and I've got really sensitive skin, so you probably won't react. Obviously do a patch test. If you have oily skin though, I don't know, I don't think I would recommend it for the daytime, because you might look too oily during the day. It's not that oily when you apply it because it does absorb into your skin, but yeah, for the daytime, maybe not for oily skin, but definitely try it as a night cream. I we'll put the ingredients of the La Mer cream and this cream and like show you how similar they are. So no wonder that it's actually a really good cream. The La Mer cream, which is so expensive, must give really similar effects to what my skin has right now. And yeah, I will update you guys tonight, but so far I'm actually very happy with the results. And that's it for me. So guys, today is day 5 and the night time of trying the cream, and for me, honestly, it's been amazing. Like I really did not expect myself to like fall in love with using this, but it is so good, especially for winter time. I used to use this on my like hands anyways, but yeah, seriously, this $5 cream is a dupe of a very expensive cream. The only thing though that I noticed was that this has fragrance, and that is the only thing that I'm like not 100% sure about, because if you've got sensitive skin, that might actually irritate your skin. But other than that, honestly, it's been so good. Way better than I expected. I actually expected to break out a lot, and surprisingly, if you guys remember on day 1, I actually, you know, had some breakouts that were like really fresh, and now they've just died down. And it could be because my skin was a bit dry at that time, and now it's because it's well moisturized, it's just gone back to normal. So my skin's been crazy anyways, but this has honestly been amazing. Wearing it in the daytime has been great. My makeup has been going on so smoothly, and like wearing it at night is great as well, because I can get that deep like hydration and moisturizing that I need. For someone with oily skin though, I don't know, it might be too oily for daytime, so use it at night only if you do want to try it out. I think it's definitely a dupe of the La Mer cream, and it's just so cheap, and mine looks like a big mess right now. But honestly, other than the fragrance issue, this is totally worth it, and I actually am so glad that I did this challenge for 5 days. And yeah, now I'm gonna actually continue using it on my skin at night, as long as it doesn't break me out. I try to stay away from products with fragrance, and this does have fragrance, but you know, other than that, it's actually really great, and I'm going to use it on my hands and feet. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you did enjoy this challenge, let me know in the comments section below. I would love to hear from each and every one of you guys, and if you want me to try another product, let me know as well, and I would love to try it for a couple of days and tell you what I think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.